So this is S-904 microprocessor pH-conductivity-mV temperature meter Systonic. So I will give you a brief demonstration on how to calibrate it. First we'll talk about its setup. So this is where I have connected the adapter, and this is for the temperature probe, and this one is for the RS-232 cable, and these terminals are for the conductivity cell, and this one is for the pH. So these are the control keys. Now we will turn the power on. As you can see, so first we will talk about how to calibrate the pH. So this is standby. So first we'll go to cal and to pH, press enter. The first thing you have to do is uncal it. After that, again go to pH and then on to calibration. And as I have dipped my pH electrode in 7 pH, as you can see, so now we will calibrate it. So press enter and wait. So if your value comes approx to this, then press enter. It will get calibrated. And furthermore, you can also do the calibration of other pH like this, and then go to mode, and from here you can check the readings. So for the conductivity part, as we have connected the cell and dip this in 1 millisiemens standard solution, as you can see. So now to change the parameter, go to menu and from here press enter. As you can see, you can change the parameter of mode through this and then press enter, and you can see its conductivity now. After that, go to cal and to conductivity, press enter, and now go to by measure, press enter and wait. From here on, through up and down key, you can change the value. If it's approx 1, change it to 1000 and then press enter. And now go to mode, and as you can see, it's calibrated now. So that's how it works.